We're in beautiful Lisbon, Portugal, cooking up a delicious feast celebrating traditional Portuguese recipes.
A sardinha viva!
Joining me is my good friend and co-host, Alex Thomopoulos.
It's fun cooking with you, Pete.
For inspiration, we'll sample dishes from two of Lisbon's most acclaimed chefs,
Start with the
Susana
sardine.
Felicidad and Marlene Vieira.
You put cheese over there and butter.
They'll give us a tour of Setubal market, considered one of the best in the world.
So fresh.
Then, with fresh ingredients in hand, Alex and I will roll up our sleeves and start cooking.
I've never done it this way, but we're gonna see if it works. We'll just do the whole bottle.
There we go.
Yeah.
On the menu, octopus salad, swordfish right from the sea, and chicken escabeche. Enjoying yourself there.
Too much.
And much, much more. All of this just in time for a bunch of friends to enjoy this incredible feast. So would. Next on a Moveable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.